You are welcome everyone to another video tutorial. Today we want to look at the nested routes. Now, what is a nested route? Now, a nested route are routes that are nested into another route. When you put a route into another route, that is said to be nested routes. So let's see how that works. Now, this is our browser router, the route we created in our last class. So I want to put these two pages, the contact and services pages, I want them to be inside the about page. So what I would have done here, okay, let me take this guy out. I think that's sums that. Okay, let me take this guy out. Okay, save that. Okay, I'll go to the app.js. Then I want this about to contain the services and contact pages. So I'll move that / out. Then I'll come here, I'll create a ending route. That's what I'll do. Then inside this about route, I'll paste the contact and services route inside it, so you can see that. So automatically the about is housing the contact and services routes. So if I want to access contacts, I have to put / about / contact. If I want to access services page, I have to put / about and / services, because the about is now the official parent of these two routes because they are nested inside of it. So I have to remove this. So I have to remove this because they're nested. Take this out, the / out here. So I'll save this. So let's go to the browser. If you go to the browser, let me take this out. Sorry. So if I put about, I may not see, you can see about is showing. If I put the contact / contact, now if you notice, our contact page is not showing. Have you noticed that? I put services. Let's try services to see if it's going to show. / services, and our services page is not showing. The only thing we are seeing on the screen is about us page, which is in the about.js. Now, how can I make this contact page and services page show? Remember that contact page and services page are inside the about page, which makes it a nested route. So I'll go to about.js and import a component called outlets. Outlets is a component from React router DOM that will enable us to see the sub routes. So I'll come here and say outlets. So it has been imported from React router DOM. So I'll save this. Then I go to the browser. So you can see services is showing. So if I put contacts, our contact us page is showing. So let me make this. You can see that it's not showing about / contact. Everything is working. So with this, now you can create a navbar that will show on all pages. You can do that now. So in our next class, we are going to look at this. Or let me quickly do let me make it to be home. Instead of about being the parent route, let's make home the parent route. So what I will come here to do, what I will do here, I can easily come here and say / take this route off, then make the home, take away the / from home. Let me make the home to be the parent route. Okay, so the parts, then this one is about. Let me save it. Okay, so now the parent route is not the parent, is the home route, sorry, is not the parent route. So that means everything I did for about, I will transfer it to the home. So I take this guys out. So I'll go to the home and place it now. So this will be home page. Home page. So that means if I want to access any page now, it will be just normal /. So this will not be the URL again. So if I want to access about, it will be about. So you can see home page. So the home page is showing for everything, which is correct. So you can see the home page. This our home page So that means with the outlets, this home page, because I made it a parent, it will be showing in all for all pages. So if I go to contact page / contact, the home page will soon show. You see that? If I go to services, the home page will soon show. So that means we can now create a nav bar to replace that home page that is showing. You get that now? So in our next class, we're going to use a bootstrap nav bar to replace that. So thanks very much.